What's up, guys? I'm Boo Carlisle. Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. It is early in the morning and it is practice day. So, stopped in Mooresville, got our shocks from Brandon Depew. He did a quick refresh on them. So we get these things tossed on, and we got Anderson Motor Speedway renting today from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Yeah, I just got out of bed. Got to throw the shocks on. Still battling this cold, and but hopefully it'll be a good day and we'll have a good piece rolling into Dillon Motor Speedway this weekend. Quickly, if you cannot make it to Dillon Motor Speedway and you want to watch Racing America, you can watch 2 days of coverage. I don't know what the cost is. Just keep watching the vlogs. I'll get that information over the next few days. We're going to have some codes to give out. So with all that said, I'm going to step outside, take a leak, get started putting these shocks on, get this thing loaded up. Hopefully go make some good practice laps today. Fred took all the decals off while I was in Virginia for Christmas. We got a bunch of new sponsors for this event, so get them printed up, trackside designs, and we'll get them laid down. Got a lot to do this week, so it won't be no non-busy week by no means at all. Pretty sunrise out front of the Carlisle Manor this morning. We're ready to get the open trailer loaded up. Brandon Depew, one of the best shot guy sport of the Star Tour. He made it idiot proof. Don't mess up the shock. Never put the right rear on there. All right, got everything tidied up, part riveted on, lug nutted on. Time to get our new winch that we got, hook this thing up, get it loaded up, get headed that direction. All right, we got everything loaded up, headed that way. Grab us a gear and get down these back roads. It'll be time to do a little bit of that 85 on 85. They pulled off here on the Anderson exit at the 7-Eleven to get us a Slurpee, or a slushy, shall I say. She the argument a long time ago. She says it's a slushy. What do you say?
It's a Slurpee.
She says it's a Slurpee. I say slushy. Have an argument. Anyway, make the mile trip on down the road and let's get some practice in. What'd you get?
A taquito and some Doritos.
Smell like a Chiquito. What it smell like?
That's your banana.
And my banana. Gotta have my potassium.
That stinks.
How's that green tea drink going for you?
Okay, let's have a discussion about this. So I get a lot of hate about my Red Bull and how they're so not healthy for me and all of that. But I want y'all to know that I took all of your advice with some regard, and I went and got a yummy loaded tea with clean energy that was double the price of my Red Bull. I'm too cheap to be, no, I'm going back to Red Bull.
You got 3 Red Bulls.
I'm going back to my Red Bulls because I can get 2 for $6.
And we have made it to the 3/8 mile oval Anderson Motor Speedway. that's gonna put an end to today. So very, 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 very happy. Throw this piece of trash away, and then we're gonna get on off up Sue's Wings and things, get us a little lunch. Probably the most happiest I've ever been with that joker. Headed into a race weekend, make sure to always recycle. So I don't know, usually trying to fix this, fix that. Do gotta fix the exhaust. A little too much fumes getting in there with me. So if we make the big show, it'll be 100 laps of crying Sunday. So it'll be a good problem to have, but we'll work on that when we get home. But now y'all know Fat Boy gotta eat.
And this was my idea.
This was your idea to go race.
Yeah.
So
How cold for you? Tell them.
43
Is the high.
is the
That's
high.
too cold for
I don't
racing.
know. They didn't say what the low is.
Well, it's got to be lower than 43. And that's a lot.
Freezing.
Circle's got
And free.
And free,
50 50. You still want to go?
I ain't got a choice now. We committed.
like,
Best piece we ever took. Let's go get some lunch.
I'll get some freeze your ass off. Saturday.
Be warmer Sunday, you
And
see.
then come out in your freaking bathing suit Sunday, I guess.
Be sick at work all day Monday. It'd be worth it. All right, we finally headed out of here. And she over there, if she can't achieve it, might as well weave it.
Boo Carla.
We get out of here, looking real forward to the race this weekend. Hang us a big U-turn down here to Anderson. Anderson's switching to Saturday nights this year, and the wall's going back white. So big things going on here at Anderson Motor Speedway. We decided to get on down the road before we got something to eat. We just seen an end of a high-speed chase. Ain't no telling what you'll see over here in the great southeast on a Monday.
You can run, but you can't outrun the Motorola.
Beep, beep. How that green tea treating you? Better than Red Bull?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I will be back to my Red Bull, and you can all hate on me and tell me it's not healthy. I don't care. I'm not trying to be healthy. I'm trying to be energized.
Kiss both sides of her fine. Well, we got back home, stopped at the Lord's Chicken Shack, old Chick-fil-A. We changed the side skirts. We're gonna put some beat up side skirts on it. So take our good ones off. It made it through all year and hang them up in the garage. We're gonna put some black side skirts that we raced a couple years ago. So get that thing switched and we'll get this video wrapped up.